Hallo und willkommen. If you are preparing for Goethe B2 exam, then this video will be very important for you because in this video, I will show you some sample templates for formal as well as semi-formal email writing. So as all of you know, the Schreiben is very important part in your Goethe B2 exam. So if you learn these templates, you can say, and adapt them in your exam, you will get easily good marks. Okay, and your writing will be easier with these templates. So without wasting any time, we'll just start with the video. Now I'm going to show you here some sample template, one for formal as well as one for you can say informal or semi-formal, right? Now here we'll see some phrases. Okay, so you can use these phrases in your email writing, formal email writing. Now this is for request. You can use write bitte, Anfrage, inquiry, or for complaint, Beschwerde. Okay, these phrases you can use it. If you use these phrases, your email won't look artificial, but it will look natural. Now here, subject is formal email Vorlage. Vorlage is template. Now you can start with sehr geehrte Damen und Herren, ich schreibe Ihnen, weil ich Grund des Schreibens. Now you have to give the reason why you are writing this email. So reason is very important. Grund. Now next one will be, so next möchte ich erwähnen. Okay, so first of all, you can start this your email with first of all, I would like to mention that. Then außerdem möchte ich darauf hinweisen, das. Meaning besides, I would like to point out that. Hinweisen, okay, point out that. So these phrases, your examiner will be impressed with these phrases. You can say, ich würde Sie bitten, I I will answer that. Ich wäre Ihnen sehr dankbar, wenn Sie. Okay, I would be grateful to you. Then ich hoffe auf Ihr Verständnis und freue mich auf Ihre Antwort. Meaning, I hope you will understand this. I hope for your understanding, and I will just look forward for your reply. Mit freundlichen Grüßen, Ihr Name. Your name, you have to write. Don't forget to write your name here. Now we'll see one, you can say semi-formal or half-official email Vorlage. Vorlage is template. So you can write this for your to your landlord, teacher, colleague. Okay. So again, you have to start with sehr geehrter, Frau, Herr, Mr. or Mrs. and name. Ich hoffe, es geht Ihnen gut. I hope you are doing good. Ich schreibe Ihnen. Again, you have to write why you are writing this email, the reason behind this. Leider habe ich ein Problem mit. Unfortunately, I have some problem with whatever your issue. You can write it there. Könnten Sie mir bitte helfen? Could you please help me? Ich würde mich über eine schnelle Antwort freuen. Vielen Dank im Voraus. Meaning, thank you in advance. Mit freundlichen Grüßen. Again with this, Ihr Name, your name. See here, just understand that this is just a template format. This is not actual mail. Okay, don't just memorize the main mail, but memorize the template, because template is very important in your email writing for Goethe B2 exam. So main body will be different, right? According to the theme or the topic which is given to you. But template will remain the same and you have to memorize this template. Now we'll see some common sentences for upgradation to sound more B2. See, if somebody writes B1 and somebody writes B2, there should be some difference, right? So it should sound more B2. So use these sentences. Instead of simple sentences, just use this Aus diesem Grund möchte ich, for this reason, I would like to, darüber hinaus, meaning furthermore, ich hoffe, dass Sie mein Anliegen verstehen können. I hope you can understand my concern. Für Ihre Unterstützung bedanke ich mich herzlich. Thank you sincerely for your support. So if you use these sentences in your email, it will sound more B2. Okay, instead of using just simple sentences like B1, now you have come to B2. So it will be little, you have to upgrade in your writing. Okay, so I hope this is clear with you, because if you are starting, okay, if it is clear, then main body of the email is logical, and if your endings or closing is polite, then easily you will get good marks in your Goethe B2 Schreiben. So that's all for today, friends. If you are new to my channel and you are preparing for Goethe B2 exam, then do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bis bald. Tschüss.